Hey guys. Hey Zaire, welcome.
Hey, David.
Hello. We'll get started shortly, guys. Hey Tracy. Hey Tracy, welcome.
Hi, David.
Hello. We'll get started shortly. Hey Bill, welcome.
Hey, David.
We'll get started shortly. Hey Daniel, welcome.
What's up, Dave?
Hello. We'll get started shortly. This evening is a Q&A. Q&A this evening. Hey Travis, welcome. I will get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my trading screen here. 1 second. All right, so you guys should see my screen here. And as you guys know, on Mondays, we do Q&A. All right, so any questions you guys have on the markets, systems, trading systems, anything at all, this is your time. All right, so I'm going to open up the floor and you guys just go ahead. Any symbols you want to take a look at, anything at all you guys want to talk about, let's go ahead and get started here.
Yeah, David, it's Zahir. Can you just go over Microsoft? I know we did it yesterday, real quick, and then can you look also at Apple, please?
Okay, so Microsoft was the first one, Zaire?
Yes.
All right. Hey, Gerald, welcome. All right. Let's see here, Microsoft. What's that symbol again? MNST, is that it? What's the symbol, Zaire, for Microsoft?
Oh, let me look at it. Give me a second there.
Okay.
Or we can just look at Apple first.
Okay, what's that symbol?
AAPL.
Oh, Apple, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking to do here?
Puts.
You're looking to do puts? Okay.
Yeah. On a 240 H4.
All right. On the, okay, 240. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, let's bring in our sell short signals. And we'll also take a look at the indexes too. All right. So we'll look at the Zayed, the 240 and also the 30-minute to see the
check tab. Ingest the capsule.
All right. All right, so we've got a sell short signal on the 30-minute, right? Markdown phase on the 30-minute, right? Here was the sell short signal, break of this support right here. All right, so support right here. So we get a sell short signal right here, Zaire. All red candles, clearly in the markdown phase on the 30-minute time frame. All right, on the 240. Let's take a look here on the 240, which is your trading window. We do not have a sell short signal yet, but that should come in. All right, that should come in soon. It made a high right here. So right here, it made a high, right? Made a high here, failed, right? Failed here. Failed here. So if you look at previous price pattern, when you get some selling come in, it usually goes down, right? So you got some selling, failed resistance right here, failed resistance. This didn't quite reach resistance, but we could count this. All right. Support is down in here, Zaire. This is on your 240 time frame. So support is, I would say, right about here. All right, right about here. We'll call this support here, support here, support here. Previous resistance is support, support right in here. So this is an important area here to watch. That price here is 150. What's that? 153. All right, so 153, your price is right now at 165. Lower highs, right? Lower lows, broke the moving average. So we are now right below, right in here, like in here, right below that red moving average, right? Sellers are definitely in charge. Okay. So target would be, I mean, you might, let's take a look at the longer time frame. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the daily. You know, you might want to trade this on the daily time frame. You can go back and forth. All right, but you might have a bigger move. So here is support, pretty good support, I would say, down in here. So 50, 152, 153 right here. And then your next support area would be, let's see here, down in here, support here. Previous resistance is now support. So 138. Okay, but your target, first target, 151, 152, right in here. then your next target here. All right, does that help?
Yes, thank you, David.
You're
Also, I remember MSFT. That's
what is it again?
MS
MAFT. Okay.
SFT. Microsoft.
Not Micro. Okay. Let's see here. Keep an eye on the 30-minute also. I would watch it to see if the sellers are still holding. Okay, that should push that down. I want to take a quick look before Microsoft. The markets are becoming more bearish. Okay, so that should help. Okay, so if you're looking for puts, so that should help. The Russell, if you guys look here, the Russell selling is coming in the Russell right here. All right, we'll get sell signals on these indexes soon. We've got a red can. This is the S&P. So close the day with selling coming in. So all this will help push up lower, especially the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ right here. All right, so sellers are coming in, right, to that, into the NASDAQ right here. All right, support is right here in the NASDAQ. 1 second. All right, support is right in here, but sellers are coming in. So that should help your puts. All right. All right, let's see here. VIX is going higher. All right, so VIX is at 24 now, right? Guess what? We've got a first white candle right here. So VIX is definitely moving higher. We need to break through this area here, but not good for the markets. So that should help your puts. Let's take a look at Microsoft. All right, looks very similar. You've got more defined support. Here is the 30-minute time frame. All right, 30-minute time frame. So it's definitely in the markdown phase. Good job finding this. And I don't think you're too late. Here on the 30-minute, here was your sell short signal that came at 305 here. This is on the 30-minute. And then price is at 285. All right, another sell short signal right here on this break of support. Let's see here. So you've gotten two. So this was the first trade here. Break of support. Your next trade, and this is on the 30-minute. So I'm just trying to show you guys what's happening with price. Not that you would trade it on the 30-minute, but here's where price broke support, got the first sell short signal. And then the other support was right here. If you guys can see that right here, which we got a sell short signal right here, this triangle. All right, so it's redistribution here, redistribution here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And then we'll take a look at the dailies here for reference. Let's see here. All right, so on the daily, let's do the 240. Stop me if you guys have any questions on this while I'm doing this. these sell short signals are coming in late on the 240. So all what that says is that they're really pushing the price. It gap down here. Where are you looking to? Are you in, Zaire, or are you waiting to get in?
Well, Microsoft, remember yesterday with Microsoft, I think it left me. I wanted to get in before that 280 mark that we spoke about yesterday, but it went so fast. So
Yeah.
I'm looking more opportunity on the Apple instead of the Microsoft.
You're looking to go long?
No, I'm looking to go short or
Short?
put. Yeah.
At what price?
But I'm wondering.
At what price you looking to go short, man?
Well, I'm thinking if it breaks the 280 tomorrow, I'm not sure. I'm wondering if 280 is like a strong support, you know. It's probably too close, right?
No, I mean, if you're trading it on the 240, today would have been good to get in. Let's see here. Yeah, today still would have been. I don't think it's too late, right? You've got, I mean, you've got sell, you've got red candles. Market is moving lower as far as the NASDAQ, right? Let's take a look at the daily. Sometimes we can be too cautious, you know. Sometimes you just have to go for it. Let's see here. So here is the daily time frame. Sometimes it's good to bring out the daily if you trade on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see here. Boy, it did come down today, didn't it? So it gapped down. It gapped down. Oh, yesterday would have been a good day.
Yeah, remember we spoke about it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, yesterday would have been. I don't think, boy, it's up to you, right? But you've got pretty good support here, right? This is still early selling. If you look, compare to here, right? This is, and you know, it's failed. It's failed to break out to the upside. So if you look here, right, it's failed to break to the upside. This is going to be a big area here. So it's up to you if you want to take the risk. All right. So because if it breaks this support here area, this is pretty decent support, Zaire. You've got a triangle forming here. All right. It would have to hold. No, it's not that far from support. So if we count this as support, which is 179, 180, it closed at 185. All right. So there's a good chance it could break this support here. If it breaks that support, the next major support that you've got is about, I would say right here, that cluster. If we bring it up, so I would say this area in here. So you could, if it breaks this area in here, you could get it down to go further down in here. But if on the daily time frame, this isn't, it's fairly early, right? It's not, you're not too late. On the 240, let's see again. But yesterday would have been the trade, and even today, if earlier today might have been a good opportunity to get in. If they, if it could open up down right? If it gaps down really big in the morning, right, and they really take it down in the morning, then you've lost it a bit. Let's see here. That makes sense?
Yes, David, it does.
Yeah. Yeah, yesterday would have been, but we never know, right, how price is going to play out. Let's see here. It's the 240 here. 240 here. I think you still got room. I think you still have room, even on the 240, right? Even under 240, I think you've got room, right? You've got room. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, both good opportunities on both. All right, and the good news is for these trades, so we know the selling is in, right, and also the market, right? So the indexes, they also got some selling in the indexes. VIX is moving higher, so not bad. Not bad. Your timing is a bit off, a little bit, right? Your timing is off a little bit, but if you trade it, just trade small. I would get in. I would take the trade, but you might not want to go big because you've missed the entry a bit, right? So you might want to play it conservative a bit, but I would get in. Yeah, I would definitely get in. All right, that helps.
Okay, yes, David, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just get in, fine tune your entry on that 30-minute time frame. All right, anyone else? Anything else you guys want to take a look at? Any other trades? While you guys are thinking, the dollar, that dollar is approaching that resistance area we've been talking about. So the dollar's at 99.98 right now. All right. I know some of the dollar pairs closed today, but stay with them. All right. If they pull back, stay with them. All right. If they give a sell signal, stay with them. Okay. We had talked about the yen pairs. I know Peter brought up the yen pairs last night, and we saw a big move in the yen pairs. So this is pound yen, right? Big move in the pound yen overnight. Here was the buy signal here, pound yen, big push overnight. And we also saw some pretty good action on the 30-minute also. So let me change these. Is anyone in the pound pairs in the yen pairs? Anyone in the yen pairs? Anyone took this trade?
Yeah, I took that trade last night, David.
You did? Okay.
Yeah. And it was just like you said, it was going to move last night, and it really did. It moved all night.
Yeah. Are you still in it?
No, I got out this morning on a shorter time frame.
Okay, good. All right. I'm glad you guys are starting to trade on the smaller time frame. So here, so here is the 30-minute. So you got out. So this was a big move right here. So you did pretty good if you got out early. Now, here was the buy signal, sell signal here. Watch it again. Okay, Bill, so watch it again. for another buy signal. Okay, so if it gives you another buy signal on the 30-minute, that would be a good opportunity. Okay.
Okay.
All right. But good job taking profits on that 30-minute. All right. Once you guys get really good at trading on that 30-minute, you might never go back to the 240, because you can bank, you can bank. But don't if you do that, yes, you take profits, right? But don't forget to stay with it, because you can keep getting, because this is a nice trend up, right? So it could give you, if it continues to move higher, give you great opportunities on that 30-minute time frame. So good job, Bill. Did anyone else trade? Anyone trade the pound yen? Anyone?
I did in a demo. I did in a demo account.
Demo account.
Yeah, I did. I wanted to practice my instincts. But I did. Yeah, I did pretty good. If it was real life, I would have made like $1,800. But never mind. You know.
How much did you trade? You trade 1,800 and.
I trade high. Yeah, I trade a pretty high lot for the demo account.
Okay.
What I'm learning how to really go with my instincts more, like with market structure. So,
Okay.
that's why I've been practicing, just so I won't be blowing any more accounts.
Okay. I would also do like very, very small. So you can do and it's up to you, right? But you could do the demo in addition to doing the demo at the same time, do like a very small lot.
Yes, I actually been doing that. I just, to me, it just doesn't even matter to tell you, but I guess I will. Yeah, I do. Like right now, for example, I'm in a very small time frame trade. Oh geez, what is it called? The Hong Kong session or whatever. Started at 7 p.m. So I'm in a small
The
trade, very
Asian
yeah,
session.
yeah. And I'm in a very, very small trade, just to see if my analysis is good. And basically that's what I just been doing, Dave. Just trying to
On what time frame?
5 minute.
On the 5-minute, which symbol?
Pound yen.
On the pound yen? Oh, okay. Let's see. Long, right? Long?
Yes.
5-minute. Okay. All right, let's take a quick look here. So we know our foundation is long, right? Which is good. We got a buy signal. All right. I would consider this reaccumulation phase, right? Markup phase. So 5-minute, here's the 5-minute right here. Look at the previous 5-minute. Look at that, right? As a matter of fact, look at here. This is the kind, are you following the system? Are you following this buy signal here, Daniel?
No, I didn't even know that you can do that in the 5 minute. I didn't even know that. I just found out right now. Right now, I've been doing everything manual.
No.
Oh shoot! I didn't know you could do 5 minutes. I thought it was only 30 and 240. Now I know. Wow, that's really good.
Yeah. Use bring in the 5-minute. Use the signals. Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even know that. Just found that out, Dave. Thank you.
Yeah. What's nice about doing it on the 5-minute. Now, most of you guys will not be able to do this because you're not glued to the screen. But if you've got the time, so you've got extra time where you can do it, right? You're available. Absolutely, use the system. It's going to give you tight losses. So if you guys see here, right? So there was a buy signal here. It went against us right here. Give a sell signal to get out. That's a very small loss here. All right. Same thing here. very tiny loss here. All right, got in here, got out here. Got in here, got out here. These are small losses, but then look at this run here. That 5 minute, okay, that 5 minute time frame, you're right, every candle is 5 minutes, but this will also hold the trend. All right, so this was a very, very nice trade on that 5 minute. Okay, so it got out here, broke support right here, got out here. So got in here, break of resistance. Let me draw it out. So this will work. Those signals will work, guys, on every single time frame, even a 1 minute time frame.
Wow,
Yeah, even a 1 minute time frame. All right.
that's exciting to hear.
Yeah, yeah. So use, yeah, Daniel, use the system. All right. And a lot of times we forget that with the smaller time frame, it's the same thing, right? You're still going to go through the 4 market phases, right? So accumulation, just because it's a smaller time frame, that doesn't change, right, how the market moves, right? So resistance is right here, accumulation. All right, so look here. Yeah, so here is let's say we'll call this resistance. Resistance is right here, failed resistance, right? And guess what? Small loss. We want small losses, big wins. We need those big wins to pay for our small losses. We talked about this, guys, in one-on-one coaching, right? Right. So and we're trading in the zone, probability, right? This game of probabilities, right? So small loss, big win. So we took a small loss here, kept testing, broke resistance right here. Here was your home run. This winning trade here paid for these losses here. All right. And now we're testing it right here. So Daniel, what you want to do is this. You're in it now. So bring out your system. All right, bring out your system and just try to do this, right? Rather than trying to do it manually. You've got the upward trend here. So you know you've got a buy signal on the 240, right? Buy signal on the 240. It's in the markup phase. So now you're going to trade it on the 5 minute. All right, you've got a buy signal right here, green candles, right? Green candles, buy signal right here. Hopefully you get another run like this.
How do I make a screen now for the 5 minutes? Because that's what I don't know how to do. Let's see. Is it a plus sign at the bottom? Let's see. Plus sign as a start.
So I'm gonna show you here. Click on the plus sign here.
Yep. Click.
Okay. Right here, and you're gonna go back. Let's go back. Right here, and what you're gonna do, go to any of your screens, right click, and copy window. All right. So write that down. So just
okay, right click, copy window. Got it. Okay. Okay.
Copy window. Now we're gonna go back. Right, we're gonna go right back here, okay? Because you created a new workspace, okay?
Yep. Yep.
And then you're gonna right click, and now you're going to paste window.
Let's see. Oh, got it. Yep.
All right.
And nice.
And then just name it. You're gonna have to name it. So you can name it Danny.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Danny.
Crazy Danny window.
So just call it Danny.
How do I
Danny
name it?
5 minute.
How do I name it? I can file. Is it in file save as?
Yeah, just save. So what you're gonna do is, well, you just right click,
Yep.
save workspace as.
No, I mean, I don't know how to name it. That's what I was gonna ask.
Yeah, just type in it, just type in any name right here.
Oh, save workspace as, okay.
Yeah.
Right click. Oh, is it in studies?
Mhm.
Okay, right. Okay, save workspace as. Got it. Okay.
You got it?
Yep. And then put Danny 5 minute.
Yeah. And then here, your time frames, to change your time frames, just right click,
Yep.
time frame,
Mm-hmm.
and then you could do 4 minute. Don't do the 4, do the 5, right? 5,
Yeah.
5, 15, 30, 60 to 40 daily. That's what the traders follow. Those are the time frame traders follow.
Oh, nice.
Right.
So it just gave a buy signal, right? Looks like it did.
Yeah, on the
5 minute.
on the 5 minute, yes.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah,
And I can buy on it too.
yeah. So just let it run. All right.
Thank you.
So you in this trade here, just let it run. When it gives a sell signal, get out, right?
Yep.
Get out and wait. Wait for another buy signal. Don't take
Yep.
any short trades.
No, yeah. I learned that that's not good for psychology anyways. It'll overwhelm you and make you go crazy because you know your brain is playing both sides. So if you're not prepared for that, it's not good to
Okay.
do, you know, short buy. Like I'm talking about in the fast time frames, you know.
Okay.
Not good.
And yeah, and that's a good reason not to, right? Not to go long, short, long, short. What's another good reason why? And that's anyone, for anyone, not just Danny. Anyone. Why wouldn't we want to go short here?
Because we're going against the trend.
Because we're going against the trend. Very good. All right, because we're going against the overall trend. All right, so the overall trend is, let's go back here. The overall trend is long, right? So the overall trend is long, right? Buy signal here, close, another buy signal right here. Here's the buy signal right here. Buyers are in control. We should only be taking long positions to go up. No shorts at all. Right? We want to go with the trend. Okay, so buyers are in control. All you're doing is you get in, you're gonna these pullbacks right here, these pullbacks will get you out a lot sooner on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so but get you in a lot quicker. Now, this isn't for everyone. I mean, the 5 minute time frame, you've got to watch that thing. You see here, so you've got to watch it, and this is what Danny wants to do.
Definitely.
He likes the 5 minutes, so it's not for everyone.
So David, the 5 minute is mainly like for scalping, like for a quick trade.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Yeah. It's for scalping. It's for intraday kind of day trading. But the cool thing about the system, where most traders that trade the 5 minute, they're looking to get in and out quickly. They'll never hold the trade overnight. All right. But we have an extra benefit with using the system. That's why I want Daniel to use the system, because if you do catch a trend, which you can, you guys will notice here that it's not just scalping, getting in and out, in and out, in and out, right? It still will, if you catch a nice trend, it will still hold that trend. So I'm going to bring in the time frame, the time here, so you guys can see how long it held this trade. All right. And if you get really good the idea is to really maximize these trades on the smaller time frames. You've got to go in the direction of the trend. All right, and I'll show you guys a trick on this. All right, so let's do this. Let me bring in the dates here. So if you guys have like you have some downtime, you're on vacation, you just, you know, you're messing around, you can't sleep, all right? And
Me.
you up, what's that, Danny?
I said, me, can't sleep.
Yeah, right. This is good. I'll show you guys how to do this, and you could make some quick money. Time here, we're gonna do gray font. Let's try this. All right, I'll just do it like this. Okay, so here the buy signal came in at 410. All right, so this was yesterday, 410. All right, and it held 410 at 20, was it 2000 hours, and I don't know hotel military time, and then it closed, so a day. All right, it held it for about a day. All right, so that's pretty good for a 5 minute, right? So got in yesterday, got out today. That's pretty good. So the system, if it catches a nice trend, the system will hold it. All right. What I wanted to show you guys is a trick on when you have some downtime. The best time to do this is early when the Euro session opens up. So 3, 4 o'clock when volatility is moving, so that you get follow through. Okay, so you get follow through. So what you can do now, this isn't, you don't want to do this every time, all right, but this is what you can do. Pick up here that's up in this area here that's trending. All right, so like this one here is trending higher, right? So the top, if you're using Monster Scalper, the top trending pairs, all right, so don't find any of the ones that are down here, right? That are not, that's consolidating. That's not what you want. You want one that's trending, right? And they'll be up in this area here. There'll always be pairs up here that are trending. All right, so, and then what you can do, so this is your 240. And Travis is on here. Yeah, Travis. Travis, this is what we basically set up, right? You remember your 2 charts? And do it side by side like this. All right, do it side by side. All right. And for Daniel, rather than the 30 minute, right, you can bring in the 5 minute. All right, so here is, over here, we've got the dollar yen buy signal here moving higher. And here, look at this. This is the 5 minute buy signal was right here. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Buy signal was right here. And then what you do is, but the best time to do this is when, during the Euro session, okay, if you're gonna do Forex, all right, the Euro session. So 3, 4, 5 a.m. in the morning, that's when volatility comes in, and you just wait for that buying to come in, all right? But you gotta be up watching it, all right? So Danny, you're a brave man. But if you want to trade on the 5 minute, you can do that. This is the best way to do it. All right, this is the best way to do it. There's another Any questions on this? I'm going to show you guys one other trick. Any questions on this? No questions on this? All right. All right, let's see here. All right, pound yen. All right, I'm going to bring in another chart here. Pound yen. If you guys want further confirmation, you can do this. Pound yen 15. All right. This is the Qs. You can do this, right? On the Qs, this is 5, 30, 60, right? 240, right? I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to bring in the Qs. GBP, JPY. And we'll end with this. JPY. All right, so this is pound yen. 1 second here.
Oh, you giving us all time frames?
Yeah,
You're gonna make us go crazy now.
I'm giving you guys all the secrets. All the secrets.
That's good.
Right.
That's
But check this out. Check this out. All right, so here's the weekly, right? Markup phase, right? Here is the daily, right? Here is the 240, right? Look at this, buy signal here, buy signal here, buy signal here, all right? So weekly, daily, 240 here, that's the 60-minute buy signal right here. Look at the price action here, 30, 15. And then you can change that 15 to 5-minute right here. Okay. And what you do is just wait, right? You know, in an uptrend here on the weekly, buyers are in control, right? Here on the daily, buy signal, green candles, buyers are in control. Same thing here on the 240, same thing here on the 60, right? Same thing here on the 30, and then you just wait. This is what Ricky does. Yeah, this is what Ricky does, but he changes his, I think he changes his 30 to 15-minute. All right, so he's got his 60, 240 daily and weekly, right? And he has it set like this. All right, and then his trading window is the 15-minute time frame. And he'll use, so this is his trading window here. And then he will use his, he use either the 5-minute or the 1 minute, I believe, the 1 minute as his timing, Okay. So you know what the overall trend is. That's when you look into scalp, right? You look into scalp. You don't just randomly get in and start scalping. You want to scalp in the overall direction, right? And he likes to short, so he'll find one where the overall direction is short to the downside. Okay, like right here, it just gave a sell signal to get out. You guys just saw that right here, right?
Yep.
On that,
Just
that 5-minute.
Yep. Just
It does give a sell signal to get out on the 5 minute. So what you would do, rather than going, you wouldn't go short here because you know the overall trend is up. So you wait, you let it do its thing, right? Let it do its thing. Wait, wait, wait. So Daniel, you were in it, right? So you're in it on that 5 minutes. So you would get out now.
Yeah, I got out.
You would get out now and then wait. But like I said, the best time to do this is during the Euro session. You might get some opportunities in the New York session. And then you just wait. You turn off all your shorts. Okay, so you turn off all your shorts, so don't mess with your mind. So turn off your shorts and just leave on longs.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Yeah, just leave on longs. And then you have the alerts. Your alerts are set up, right, Daniel?
Yeah. What is it again? Edit strategies? Yeah, that's what it is, right? Off, off, on, on. Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. And you have your alerts set up?
Yeah, I just got an email too that said so.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's how you do it. And don't take any shorts, just wait. Wait for that buy-in to come in, right? Because this is your overall trend. No shorts, no shorts, no shorts. Just wait.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Yeah. All right. And you can do that, just copy, copy your windows, right? Just copy and paste, right? So copy like here. Go here, paste the windows here. All right. And you can resize them. So let's say that's your 5 minute time frame, just 5 minute, 5 minute, copy and paste, copy and paste, and just build out your charts here. And then you could make this 30 minutes. All right. Copy and paste another one here. All right, 60 minute. All right, and so forth. 60 minutes here. All right, go to time frame, 60 minutes here. On your guys, on your 240 charts, when you want to make a 240-minute chart, that's a custom. Okay, so it's not a standard time frame. So as an example, you would go here, time frame. These are all the standard time frames here. So the minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60, daily, weekly, and monthly. So for 240, there isn't a 240 here. So you got to go to customize. All right. And then here in the minute bar, you put in 240. All right. 240, enter. Now you've got your 240 chart here. All right. But that's pretty cool when you do that. You don't want to do that for every single pair that you trade, right? So if you have a pair like Daniel is trying to do, he's trying to really become an expert in trading pound yen, you almost have to do this. Yeah, so when there's one pair that you just really, really want to trade and kind of day trade it, active trade it, right? Scalp it, you want to have this, you want to do this. All right. All right. This is pretty cool though. This is pretty cool stuff here.
I'm preparing for US 30 in about a year. I'm giving myself a year to prepare for US 30.
Well, pound yen will get you ready for US 30. This is US 30 here. So pound yen will get you ready for
You see that monster? That thing looks like Godzilla.
Yeah.
Look at the horns on that.
Yeah, it's a big mover. Yeah, but pound yen, doing it this way, and then you can set up your, down the road, US 30, you have to do that. You have to set it up similar, to the chart So I just showed you guys. So you break down every single time frame. If you guys go back to Ricky's video, all right, and I forgot who asked him at the end. I think it was either Joe. I think it was Joe asked what time frame he uses, and that's how he breaks it down. So he goes from the weekly to the daily to the 240, 60, 30, 15
Yep.
minutes, 5 minute, or 1 minute for his entry.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So you can build it out yourself, right? You just add a workspace and build it out yourself. Don't do it for everything you trade, but your favorite pair or stock that you guys trade. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful. I will see you guys. Tomorrow is for new traders, beginning traders, and I'll see you guys through the week. All right, take care.
Thank you,
Have a good evening, guys. Take care.
All right, thank you, David.
Bye-bye.